How to fix Rainbow Six Siege matchmaking error code 2-0x000000D008. Part 1, Fixes for matchmaking error on Xbox and PlayStation. 1.1 Ensure your internet connection is working fast enough. Contact your ISP if needed. 1.2 Use an Ethernet. Cable. 1.3. Power cycle your console for 60 seconds and restart. 1.4. Enable UPnP in router. 1.5 Forward the following ports in your router: TCP 8443, Xbox 8443, 3478, 3479, 3480, PS4 UDP 3074, 6150, 10,000 to 10,099, Xbox 3478, 3479, 3658, 6115, 10,000 to 10,099, PS4. Part 2, Fixes for matchmaking error on PC. 2.1 Ensure your internet connection is working fast enough. Contact your ISP if needed. 2.2 Restart your router. 2.3. Restart your PC. 2.4 Try a wired connection, as well. 2.5. Enable UPnP in your router, if any. 2.6 Make your firewall and / or router allow the following ports through its settings: TCP, 13,000, 13,005, 13,200, 14,000, 14,001, 14,008, 14,020, 14,021, 14,022, 14,023, 14,024. UDP, 6015. 2.7 Reset Windows hosts file. 2.8 Flush DNS by IP protocol configuration / flushes command. 2.9 Contact Ubisoft. Further assistance.